Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Daily Bone Podcast, where we talk about all things crypto market. That includes the majors like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, meme coins, and of course, NFTs. Today, we're going to discuss yesterday's Bitcoin mega pump, all-time high after all-time high. What a euphoric day we had yesterday. Clemente is excited. We're going to talk about record volumes coming in from the ETFs. Normies are buying our bags. TradFi's buying our bags. Our bags are going to 401ks. They're going into IRAs. All the three-letter words. Get them in there. Put them in their bags. Pump our bags. Let's go. And we're going to talk about how to position yourself now that the bull market has started. Let's go. What a day we had yesterday. Clemente, you have to be fired up. I love that the whole crew's down there. What was the vibe yesterday? How was everyone feeling?
So I'll give you a little rundown. Well, first off, Pio was trying to contain his excitement. He was basically just like not phased. He's just like, yeah, it's Bitcoin. What do you expect? Literally gonna go up forever. And then he was like, MicroStrategy stock, yo, Coinbase. It was a lot of that, and then it was Nick doing countdowns to every time it'd be like breaking another 1,000. So it'd be like, Pio, we're about to break 88K. We're $100 down, and $200, $300, and you just be doing that. But yeah, we're feeling good. Can I do a quick? I want to give a quick shout out.
Right. Yeah, shout it out. What do you got?
Shout out to some of these listeners, man. I mean, I'm looking at some of these GMs right now. These are some of the people that have been just stuck through it all with the trenches. Bachelor Society, T Ward, Sir Heavy Bags, Peg Samuel, Benny Flacco, Antoine Algin, Alfalfa, Ellie.jpeg, Groovy T. I mean, every single one of you and so many more of you guys stuck with us, stuck through this, and we're just getting started. It was literally just a year ago. We were at what? The market was just starting to heat up again. Solana was at like $15, $20. And was just starting to go on that monster run. So shout out to you guys, Ways of Wang, Ash Seeker, Mike DeFi. I mean, dude, you guys are the freaking beasts, bro. You guys fire me up. I love you guys. And let's freaking go, dude. Be proud of it. You guys earned this. Let's freaking go. We're just getting started. And yeah, you know who I'm not saying hi to is Zama. Zama, I was trying to be nice. Start talking shit.
Zama says, Clemente, please explain to me how you are still losing money in this bull market. You short Doge again?
No, it was just, I'm just buying vaporware. So yeah, look, love you guys. AAA NFT Alfalfa, been here for years. I even listened to the Nifty Nick show and minted Portal NFTs. Look, we're going to keep dominating, guys. We're going to keep dominating. Yeah, we're hey, end of 2025. End of 2025, we'll do a Bodago's yacht party. So, yeah. Shout out to you guys. I'm fired up, Ray.
I'm fired up, and it feels nice. Like this would be my second crypto cycle. So I've completed the first crypto cycle now. We had the mega bull and like lasting through the bear, and like the big thing is just making it through that bear like alive. And all of our listeners are still here. Everyone who's been here with us, over the bear, like kudos, shout out. Like you guys are absolutely dedicated. We're going to continue to navigate this bull market together. Good times ahead. Really excited. We have a jam packed show today.
Real quick, Ray, when did you get into crypto or NFTs?
So I believe it was 2020 with Top Shot.
Got it.
Yeah,
cool.
2020 with Top Shot. First NFT I minted, I think it was like a weird robot collection, like way back when. It was post Bored Apes. I didn't get into NFTs like right after Top Shot. I like missed like the super lucrative period. I did some DraftKings. I believe they're called I can't remember the name, but DraftKings had these like digital trading cards essentially on their site, which like eventually became NFTs. But after that, I jumped like directly into NFTs and like minted a bunch of like rugs, absolute rugs. Some wins in there, but some absolute rugs early, always paying that early tuition. But then ended up like making some solid plays in the space and making my way through the bull and now the bear and ready for a second cycle. Excited to see what this is going to bring.
Let's go.
Excited to see what it's going to bring.
Fired up. I'm fired up today,
Fired up. The crew is going to be here. It's not just going to be me and Clemente yelling at you the whole time. Don't worry, talking about how bullish we are and getting a little emotional on our supporters. Crew's going to be here. We got a busy show today. Clemente's going to do the weather report in a minute. But first, we want to thank our sponsors of today's show, Stream. Stream is the content layer on top of traditional streaming platforms. It allows creators to engage with their audiences like never before and earn in the process. Currently, they are running the Stream Carnival, which is a 2-week event where listeners participate in our stream drops to earn tickets. When you earn tickets, you potentially earn cash. During the first carnival, we placed in the top 10. We earn cash for all of our participants during this. We're going to do a little live stream drop right now. Basically, the way Stream works is it allows you to interact with your streamers. You can play these fun games. We'll be running them all during the show. We're going to do a little live action stream drop now. I'm going to have some help from Clemente. We're going to do a little card dash matching game, and we're going to crank up the difficulty here to hard mode. So we're going to run a little card dash here. We're going to show you what this looks like. Stream drops live for everyone right now. Link is pinned to the Twitter. Link just got sent out again in the YouTube comments. One thing to note with Stream is they are the third Animoca incubated project. The only you hear a lot of Animoca back, but not very many Animoca incubated. It's the third Animoca incubated project. And the last one was Mochaverse. So you can imagine there we go. Blind match. You can imagine what a Animoca token or something of that nature could end up looking like when you're looking
we'll
at
let you speculate on that. We'll let you speculate on that. But all you need to do is just look, if you're already watching the show, just participate in these stream drops. We had a bunch of listeners come out to us and say that they've been doing these every day, doing them when we're running them on the show, and they've been stacking up shards, I believe it is. So just crushing it. So if you already listen to the show, just go to bodagas.com/stream and get a little points, a little reward for listening.
Yep. Just ran that. That was a poor effort. I'd say I missed some that I should have gotten. 39 seconds, 6 matches, 6 misses. But like Clemente said, bodagas.com/stream. Game room will be linked in the YouTube comments as we run them, and it's pinned to the Twitter Spaces. Participate in stream. We love them as a partner. That being said, let's run a little bit of weather report, a Clemente weather report today. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I haven't done it in a while. Is my audio good if I come through here? Right here?
Yeah, right here.
Good?
Right here.
Boom. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is Tuesday, November 12th, and we're absolutely euphoric looking over at the crypto roundup. Bitcoin and Ethereum are surging before pulling back yesterday as Solana lags behind. We got Bitcoin over 86,000 United States dollars. It reached 89. It was flirting with 89K yesterday. So a bit of a pullback overnight. Ethereum is over 3,200 and Solana is back down to 207. The leading top 100 coin, of course, was Dogecoin, which is up another 24% to a $52 billion market cap. 35 cents, ladies and gentlemen. Easy was calling for 69 cents. We called him crazy on the show just a couple of weeks ago, especially Nick did. We're not going to forget that one. But next up, we got Bitcoin. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin broke $89,000 and set a new all-time high of $89,980. It was all-time high after all-time high. It also set the record for the largest one-day candle as it gained over $8,300 on the day. Next up, ETFs absolutely cooked. It was Chef Gazpacho, Chef Boyardee yesterday on their first trading day this week. Ethereum ETF set a new record with $295 million in net inflows. Oh my God, Ethereum ETFs. Let's go. They were calling them dead. They're still alive. Don't call them dead. We're back. Vitalik is holding the line here. Bitcoin ETFs traded $7.2 billion in volume. That's B as in billions, the 5th highest of all time, with BlackRock's IBIT setting a new record volume of 4.5 billion. And lastly, meme coins followed the majors, and the total meme coin market cap hit a new all-time high of $107 billion. I've been seeing Tyler D track this one. This is over 20% higher than the previous set in 2021. So we're euphoric. We're very excited. We're reaping the benefits of being here for the last 3-4 years, showing up every day. So I'm happy for all you guys. Get fired up, and back to you in the studio, Ray.
What a fantastic weather report, Clemente. We don't get many of those, but that one was electric. absolutely electric. I mean, what do we talk about first? We got Bitcoin sets 1 million new all-time highs yesterday. I was like writing the newsletter. I'm like setting all my all my bookmarks. I'm like, all right, Bitcoin broke 87K. We'll bookmark that. Up 88K, bookmark, 89K, bookmark. Like all these bullish tweets just like sitting in my bookmarks. We set a new all-time high for the single largest gain on a day, which is awesome after setting a new all-time high on the previous week. And we flipped silver in market cap.
Damn.
Bitcoin flipped silver in market cap, which is pretty wild. Next up, we're looking at Saudi Aramco. That one probably falls today if we continue this run.
Ray, are these
Amazon's in sight?
What you're sharing your screen right now is the top 9 most valuable assets in the world, basically. Is that what we're looking at by market cap?
Yes.
So we have silver at 1.7 trillion, Bitcoin at 1.74 trillion. Number 1 is gold at 17.6 trillion. So in order for Bitcoin to flip, gold would be a 10x from here.
Do we see Bitcoin flip gold in the next 10 years?
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
You think we 10x in the next 2 cycles, or does gold fall off a bit?
Yeah, I think Bitcoin flips gold. I mean, I think that's the eventual, but this is wild to see though. Bitcoin like coming in at number 8. Am I surprised? No. But no, this is great. This is great. And real quick, I want to Ray, I wanted to ask you about something that I found interesting yesterday. I saw a little bit of a speculation of an NFT season heating up. What do you make of the NFT action we're seeing, if you don't mind shifting gears a little bit there?
Yeah, I love it. So one thing I was looking at yesterday morning prior to the show, I was like looking at CryptoPunks because we saw ETH rising a little bit. And I was looking at the floors like 26, 27 ETH. And I was like, this seems like these are going to be a prime asset once, crypto pumps and then people are starting to feel rich again. Mm-hmm. And like it's early getting back into CryptoPunks. They're not that far off of all-time lows. They're under 100K. After like looking at that yesterday morning, we saw like 30 some sales yesterday. I think we saw the second most sales.
Alex Becker bought one.
Yeah, we saw Alex Becker buy a CryptoPunk. We saw a ton of sales yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like 36, like 38 sales. Mm-hmm. Floor jumped up 2 ETH. Wow. So it's approaching 100K for a CryptoPunk. I believe the all-time high is much higher. I think it's like close to 300K.
Yeah. I think punks are really interesting here. What I was also interested in, Ray, was the FWOG one of ones. So for people that don't know, FWOG is a meme coin. And it's been just an absolute cook. Basically up only. It's a beautiful chart. Just broke 600 million market cap. But what's interesting in that is you see the wealth effect of a lot of holders, right? And a lot of holders got rich from owning FWOG. And we're kind of seeing, excuse me, we're kind of seeing the meme coin NFT thesis play out in like the flex part of it, right? So FWOG right now has I believe there's a 250 SOL sell for these FWOG one of ones. So it's interesting to see that kind of wealth effect happen for a meme coin, and then that trickle into kind of these luxury assets of FWOG. So this kind of validates the thesis of meme coin NFTs. This is the one 250 SOL yesterday, or 259. I don't know if you have anything here, Ray, or if you agree with what I'm saying here.
I want a FWOG NFT.
They're cool.
This is one of the NFTs I want. I'm like, yeah, how do we get these? How do we get like a full, like legitimate collection on our hands? I think these are just one of ones. Essentially, there's 100 supply here, 369 SOL floor.
They're well done. Like the artist is behind them. It's clearly like it's not a cash grab. The thing that's hard about meme coin NFTs is like they're a lot of times they're community launched. They're like a little bit weird. Like for example, I bought Kobe NFTs. I put 4 SOL into them or 3 SOL into them when Kobe was at like 7 mil. Right. But instead, and I'm down like 40% on them. But if instead I just put that into Kobe, the meme coin, I would be up 3x. Right. So it's an interesting predicament of like meme coin NFTs, the argument of basically just buy the meme coin 95% of the time. And then when holders do eventually end up getting rich from it, that's when the trickle down, I think, happens to the NFTs.
Yeah, definitely. And we saw Fall get a major listing yesterday. I believe they were listed on Bybit. So checking out Fog, I think they hit a new all-time high yesterday. They had a couple crazy wicks previously, but
Yeah.
looking yesterday, we hit an all-time high around like just below 700 million. It's retraced
Insane.
since. Yeah, back down to 530, which is still like very high. That's like basically where we started the day on like the day yesterday, but we got all the way up to almost 700 million for Fog. This is one that's been an absolute cook. This is one that I bought in at 17 million with size and then paper handed when it did nothing for the first like 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Really, really upset about that. But I bought back in, of course. I have a good entry at 63 million here, and I'm just holding this. This is
Love it.
this is a dollar meme coin, in my opinion.
Dude, that's going to be a little 10x for you. So Ray, I had a question for the audience and you. So people listening in Twitter Spaces or the YouTube chat, let us. Did you get any normie texts yesterday? Did you get any texts from your relatives or friends that you've shilled crypto to or know you as the crypto guy? If they did, what did they say? So I'm curious for you guys if let us know in the comments if you received any normie texts yesterday about Bitcoin, crypto in general, and what they said. Are they coping? Are they buying? Did they buy when you told them to? I had one friend, Ray, that I was speaking to about Bitcoin in like February of this year when Bitcoin was at like sub 40K. I was like, dude, he had just gotten like a lump sum of money for some reason. So he had like 20, 30K. I was like, dude, put just some of it into Bitcoin, please. Like, I beg you. And he's like, dude, Bitcoin's a scam. I'm going to wait for it to dip, blah, blah, blah. And he actually finally texted me yesterday. He's like, you were right. I should have bought. So yeah, I'm curious what other people saw. No norm. So we got Ron Man saying no normie calls for me yet. People around me are still clueless. That's kind of what I'm thinking too. Like, not people still aren't really like waking up to crypto yet. W said, yeah, I got a text from an old friend asking from small cap shills since he feels like he missed out on Bitcoin. Well, W, I don't think he's missed out on Bitcoin, but I'm curious what he means by small cap shills. I think that's going to happen too, Ray, is the small number theory. Ghost Skater said, and by the way, we're talking about friends texting or messaging people about crypto. Said one person said, how can I get in? My mom asked me how to buy Bitcoin for the first time since COVID. My homie who never talks crypto texted me, yo, Bitcoin at 89K. Overarch said normie messages are still rolling in. Bachelor Society. I was accused of being a self-righteous prick yesterday for begging my friends to buy Bitcoin levels for a couple of years. And the comments are still rolling in. So cool to hear. We got to keep up our normie research. But Ray, did you get any messages yesterday?
I did. I've gotten messages over the last week. I'll go over all of them. And also nice to see Bachelor Society sending a message in the comments that does not involve Fartcoin. So interesting to see that for sure. So maybe last week I had a buddy ask me about Solana and give him a price target. And I gave him something like $300 by the end of the year. And then somebody asked me for an ETH price target. And I was like, I don't know, 3K by the end of the year. And like that got blown by. So they're all like riffing on me like, yeah, you're in crypto and you don't even know how to set price targets. This morning, I brought up crypto again after a huge day. One of my buddies bought IBIT. He asked, what's the best ETF to buy? Never mind, I just bought IBIT. And I said, well, that was the best one. Good call there. And then another one said, I just read something on crypto. It says it's going to pump, and then fall off a cliff. So be careful there. And you use your risk management. So it's coming on both sides of the spectrum. One thing I want to do is I want to create like a meme coin portfolio to kind of get them invested. They're all like pretty big degens. I want to throw together maybe a 10 meme coin portfolio or 5 meme coin portfolio and just let anybody who wants to jump into it.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. And just say here, throw some funny money in here. We'll play with this. And then we'll see how that does. It's a way for them to get some sort of access to crypto without having to onboard essentially.
Yeah, I like that. And it's an easier, I just tell people to buy Bitcoin. But I do like the idea of telling them to buy Doge. is not like terrible, right? Or like Popcat. There are people that like some of these buys sub. Like I told my buddy to buy Bonk when it was like $1 and it was like, should I buy? I was like, yeah. And he put in like $100 and he was like shook. And then he found out that I had like $2,000 in Bonk and he lost it. He was like, are you kidding me? So
it's funny, like the risk tolerance difference, because you probably view that as like a safe investment. You're like, this is, I'm not losing it, it's safe. And they're just like, what?
Yeah. So we got a couple more comments I want to read out. So we had people basically saying, Brian88 said, my brother said to sell Bitcoin because Bitcoin might crash down after yesterday's price. And X Beats, this one's interesting. IRL friends that have been hating on crypto since forever are asking me if it was the right time to buy right now. This is a common one. This is going to be a common one. It's going to be people that have historically been bearish on crypto. When price undeniably keeps going up, they're going to be more interested in it. And they're going to feel like they're late, they're too late. Some people will just swallow their pride and buy. And I hope they get in at a good price, but it's certainly interesting to see. And we see Ronman pointing out that Coinbase app is ranked number 2 on financial apps in the App Store. These are peeps coming back and signing back in. That was interesting. Still financial apps though, Ray. Still we have the overall free apps leaderboard. I haven't checked it in a little bit, but curious to see what that is at. But Coinbase stock also continuing to rip. Which has been interesting. What Ghost Skater said on the meme coin side is inevitably we'll see like a big pump, and like it's about when they sell, which is the hard game to play with meme coins versus like I'm comfortable telling my friends and family to just buy Bitcoin and never sell it. Even Solana, with a lot of my relatives and friends, Ray, I'm like, yeah, like buy this, but like it's not something necessarily you can hold forever, right? We don't know what that's going to be like. And as much of a degenerate as I am in crypto right now, like with my relatives, I'm like so risk off. At least me.
Yeah, I agree. I'm definitely getting like, is it time to buy? And like, I just want to be like, I don't know. It's going to keep, I mean, the guy who bought in his IBIT, I said, like essentially you just treat it like a retirement account. If you're buying Bitcoin at these levels, like it's going to go up. I think it'll go up to 150K the cycle. And then it's going to come back down to like 60 to 70K. And then you're going to have to wait 4 years for it to come back up and go to 300. And then it'll go back down to like 120 or something. And then you're going to see it at 700. So like it's like if you're buying Bitcoin right now, you need to be holding it with like the thought of it's like an 8-12 year hold. If you want to be like making the exciting crypto gains, if you want to be making like quick gains and like get rich quick, you're going to need to increase your level of risk tolerance, and you're going to have to take things like meme coins, altcoins, etc. into this cycle. So like Bitcoin, like I want to say like, yes, it's always a good thing, like a good time to buy Bitcoin. It's going to continue to go up. But like if you're buying right now and you have the time and energy to focus on the space, then you're going to be able to outperform that with altcoins in the near term. It's going to take time. And like it's tough to like tell people that, because when you look like statistically, most people lose money their first cycle. Like you're paying tuition the first cycle, so they're making a commitment for short-term games that they're actually not even going to get short-term games. They'll just have the knowledge that next cycle when it comes around, they'll be able to figure it out. So it's really tough.
That's what I mean. I got crushed last cycle, dude. I got in and bought I bought ETH at like 2,000, 2,500, and then started buying more when I got into ETH NFTs. I got in too late into NFTs, like 2021. So I bought the Pico top of a lot of things. I got crushed, and then I got scammed. I lost 30 grand when someone fished me, and that was devastating for a kid just out of college, and lost 30 grand. And I like basically had to start my account back up. Basically that first cycle, I bought Deadfellas for I actually made money on Deadfellas, but I bought the Pico top of a bunch of collections and then got scammed and lost a bunch of money. But that first cycle is when you learn, basically that's your tuition cycle is kind of how I look at it. And then you spend the next few years ramping up and building your stack. And I even think like your second cycle, it's like, you learn a little bit. A lot of people sell too early because they're traumatized from the bear. but that's kind of where you build your stack a little bit. And then the third cycle is really where you go hard in the paint. But certainly exciting. I haven't felt this level. And to be honest, Ray, I don't know how you felt yesterday. I didn't even feel, I felt some euphoria, but I also felt this other feeling, which I haven't felt in a while, which I didn't even feel that happy, which was interesting. I felt FOMO a lot of times because I'm like, dude, I'm underallocated, or I could have bought this. I could have sold this and put more into crypto. And then I also felt like I should have been more allocated to meme coins, and like crypto Twitter is really interesting right now because we're seeing so many more people brag about their wins and like, hey, check out this 100x I made. There's a lot more opportunities. So it's hard to not feel FOMO sometimes. At least I've felt that a lot. Constantly seeing people win. And like you're sitting there just in your Solana that's literally up 40% in the last week. Even that, like the comparison part has been an interesting feeling I've been feeling the last week or so, is like I'm underexposed, or I missed out on this 100x.
Yeah, I think staying like some combination of like liquid and in conviction plays kind of like helps. Like it's nice to have a bag that continues to go up that you're holding with conviction plays, and then it's also nice to stay liquid to jump into some of like the new things that are going to be popping up. I'm like thinking of like spending less time like in the trenches on new coins and more time in like the 5 to like 25 mil market cap range on things that I think can run. I think like that might be the sweet spot early in the cycle, because I think we're going to continue to see like winners win and people like jumping in on that and FOMOing in, as opposed to like just the volume there is and like the like high risk there is to new coins that launch that may pump to 200, 500K, 1 million, and then just get rugged.
So hard. It's so hard trading that. Like, to probably most people that are listening to this, I wouldn't recommend the trenches. It is so freaking hard to make money in that, but it feels easy going into. You can easily light, thousands of dollars on fire, especially with Solana at like 210, 220. It's very difficult. I'm personally taking it as a challenge to see if I can actually learn to be profitable. In the last month, I've probably lost $1,000, and I'm trying to spend like an hour a day in the trenches. It's so freaking hard, man. And I like I'm starting to get it a little bit more. Like I'm finding some big plays, but like you lose it. You basically go like 6 out of your 10 plays all lose money, and then you're hoping that the 3 or 4 that you make, you size in properly and you make like 5, 10x. But it's so unbelievably hard. And for most people, literally what you're saying is a way better strategy, is trying to find things in the 5 to 25, $5 to $50 million range, and like get into those, sit on it for a few weeks, a few months, and like watch it appreciate. Like those are way better plays. You could have bought Luce, for example. Last week it was at 20 mil, and now it's at 120. Like that's a 6x. I would have loved a 6x. But those types of games can tend to be a little easier to play than what we're like getting hardcore in the trenches. So yeah, and a couple more comments. The trenches are literally a casino. It's gambling. T Marrow saying, take the emotion out. Ron Man saying he also feels FOMO. Bachelor Society saying Ray is on point and also not shilling fart coin. The mathematic, the ecosystem has grown so much. There's almost too much to watch. I agree. There's constantly new coins going to like 20, 30 mil. And it is wild. It is wild. Yeah, look at that. Luce at 140. I think this gets listed on Binance.
I like this play by W. I've seen this a number of times now, where you wait for the Sol coin to pop, and then you find the ETH coin where there is less competition. Jump on that, and then you can really hit some nice gainers off of that. I've definitely seen that play. We talked a little bit about nostalgia earlier in the show. Look what I found over here from the bear, from like the beginning of the bear. Look at this.
Oh my god.
This is a for people just listening. We have a YouTube podcast of me and Clemente talking about the NFT market on September 15th of 2022. So we're continuing to do that. 2 years ago, different company, doesn't matter. Continuing to talk NFTs, crypto market. Absolutely electric shows we had there. I think this video got 18 views.
18 views. We would run,
18
yeah, Benny Flock of the WGMI morning show. Ray and I used to host a podcast, a little morning show. This Anton is saying this image looks like it was taken 10 minutes ago. Now, we were grinding and we would literally get no listeners, but I really enjoyed that. Literally 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
Yeah, crazy. It seems like so much longer ago. Does that seem like it's been like a decade since that?
Yeah, literally absurd. Insane. Ghost Skater real quick saying you need to spend 6 hours a day in the trenches in order to become a competitive trader. Like, that's basically true. I've been spending like an hour a day in the trenches, and I'm exhausted by the end of it. Like, I don't know how people like Orangey are in the trenches literally 10 hours a day. It's so tired. It's a grind. Brutal. Yeah, man. What else we got today? What else has happened yesterday that you think is important to talk about, Ray?
Well, let's talk about we talked about MicroStrategies, but MicroStrategies pumped like wildly pumped, and then also set a new all-time high. A new all-time high that was breaking the previous all-time high set during the dot-com bubble in 2000. So it's been 24 years coming for MicroStrategies. I'm bringing up the chart now to like show you, like, this looks like a meme coin chart that got like absolutely CTO'd over like a long period of time, and then just had an absolute giga pump listed on Binance.
That's
but look at
insane.
this. Yeah, all-time high here. We're looking at the chart on Trading View back like very beginning of 2000, finally breaking that all-time high, starting its run up in 2021 when they adopted the Bitcoin strategy. Now at $335 a share. Absolutely
insane.
crazy. Can't wait to hear Pio's take on this. It's going to be
well, I heard it this morning. I can communicate it for you, Ray. Pio said basically he thinks that MicroStrategy will go to $35,000. Is that
100x?
He was looking at and then he also tweeted, what's the market cap of Coinbase? Which I agree with his take, by the way, on Coinbase.
Yes.
Cool. I think it was like 70 billion. And he
Coinbase
was like,
hasn't even hit all-time highs.
Coinbase's market cap at 70 billion feels insanely low. Pio's take, he's a Coinbase bull, is that Coinbase will be a $1 trillion stock.
Feels right. I mean, if crypto continues to run, like, it might not be this cycle, it might be next cycle, but it feels right as long as they can continue to like actively engage with regulation in the United States. They continue to keep their moat. I mean, I think we're going to see a ton of VC capital pouring into the space over the next 4 years. I think we're going to see a ton of competitors coming into the space. They have first mover, and they have, a long history and like a very like professional like brand at this point. They're custodying all the big ETFs assets. So like Coinbase is going to continue to like hold that moat, but there will be competition. So it'll be interesting to see what happens.
Can you pull up Robinhood? So the Robinhood CEO was on whatever financial TV this morning and was basically saying that running a cryptocurrency exchange, like what Robinhood's been doing, basically like selling crypto assets or being the broker for crypto assets, is so much cheaper than doing anything with TradFi. It's like absurd. He was shocked. Basically, it was his take. So yeah, is this the all-time? It's at $33. What's the last month for Robinhood? Okay.
Up 25% over the last month.
25%. Interesting.
Opened the month just over $26. Year to date, up 160%.
Yeah,
we've seen it, and like we've been reporting on this. Like Robinhood has been inching their way into crypto more and more. Like having a Robinhood account and seeing what their offerings were at the beginning of the year were based on, or versus what it is now, especially if you're looking at like Europe and other places, they're definitely expanding, and I think they're gonna like maybe pivot into being like crypto first. I like I might even say like they're probably going to start advertising crypto heavy with the bull market coming and more people asking these questions like, is it time to buy Bitcoin? Where do I buy Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Like, I think Robinhood is an easier entry point for most people than Coinbase. I think a lot of people already have Robinhood accounts. I think that they can easily get in there. So Robinhood is definitely interesting to me here as well as a beta play on crypto because I think they're going like head deep into it.
Yeah, but we won't forget. What was it? It was a year and a half ago. Robinhood delisted Solana. When the day Bodagos were minting, Robinhood delisted Solana. So we don't forget that.
Yo, what we buying?
Hey,
Yo, it's good, dog.
damn, I want a coffee now.
What are we aping?
We're aping Flogs. Flogs at 369 sold.
Final show.
You vibing?
Yeah, we're
Yo, we got this Martinelli's cold pressed glass bottle. What's going on, man? We got the flat
Apple
white
juice.
straight from Australia. Italian immigrant. Oh, you think this is funny? This is real stuff, Clemente. This is real stuff. Wait.
Pia, what are your thoughts on MicroStrategy?
He's using this as a camera? That's the camera. Yo, we caught Clemente last night wearing women's clothing.
Yo, in here is saying Martinelli's is top tier. PO knows.
Type shit.
All right. Glad to see the cruise back in.
YouTube?
Yeah, we've just been
It's
dominating, dude.
Yeah. Come on, Nick.
And then he leaves.
What happened?
As he was getting coffee for the last 45 minutes.
Is what happened.
What happened to this dude?
Have you been reading my Cabal chat?
No.
Oh, you're missing out.
Nick, what do you make of the breakout we're seeing here in Bitcoin?
It's not a breakout right now. It's retracing some. It's supposed to be 90K right now. It's only 86,252, and that's really sort of a devastating situation for a lot of us who thought that we were millionaires yesterday, and now only 900,000
There's.
So are you worried about the pullback, the overnight pullback? What are the technicals saying?
We're gonna
I mean,
check the technicals.
This is probably the worst that Bitcoin's ever looked.
Dude,
This is the worst that's ever looked.
Like, I've never seen a worse
the
situation.
ETH chart.
I'm getting really strong top vibes right here. I'd sell it, get out of the market, come back in like 3 years.
This monitor setup's elite.
The Tri monitor setup.
All right, so we have Nick saying he's going to sell Bitcoin here because he's very afraid of the market. We have Bitcoin sitting at 86K right now after recording the largest single day gain of all time, and ETFs aping in. Easy, I don't know what Easy's doing. Is he opening up another laptop to jump in? Is he just trading meme coins next to you? What's going on there, Easy?
I'm sharing my Bitcoin chart. We rejected off the top fib almost perfectly. Almost perfectly. Look at that fib. Look at that beautiful thing. Shout out DYDX, the only place that gives you 50x instant leverage for you to go giga short here, but we don't short coins anymore. Nick is washed. I agree, Groovy T.
Easy. You talked about
Hey, Groovy T, how about you jump out your window? Yo, you coming out of here with words like that? Dude, say that to my face. You've
Groovy
never
T
seen
commented Nick
someone
is
more
washed.
intimidating in person.
Yo, Nick's thick in person. Nick's thick.
Have you seen my neck, bro? What is it? What does that mean for the rest of my body?
Nick also fell asleep fully clothed in his bed yesterday.
He looked like a big baby.
Lights on, everything. It was a long day.
We have the whole crew in and out of the video here.
What's in a repa? What's in a
What's
repa?
on a repa?
It's on a Arepa. It's a piece of it's like those. You should know, dude. You're in Miami. It's like the bread and cheese things.
What does that even mean?
And I like.
It's a traditional Colombian or Venezuelan corn-based
I
sandwich.
thought you're Latinx.
You're Latinx.
Yeah, it doesn't. This is like a Mexican.
Yo, Clemente's Latinx. You should have known that. I'm Italian X.
Nick built like an arepa.
That's crazy. That's crazy. I see it.
Brian 98 says, thanks for the tip, Nick. I'm selling. Smart move, Brian. Just get out.
Get out of Bitcoin.
Just take off. And never come back.
Yo, I heard
Yes, Alfalfa. I am the only one on the team that actually works daily. That's a fact. They just pounce around the world, just doing their thing, and I'm back here behind the scenes making everything work and all the ends meet. No big deal. No big deal though.
What's up with this curve that you drew? Easy, it's off.
No, it's about to go down here now. It's just riding above the curve.
He thinks we see a pullback to 180.
170.
Easy. Yesterday you wanted to short Bitcoin at 81K. We're now at 86K. Are you taking it?
No, I don't short anymore, but my Bitcoin line has us going all the way back to 65K.
Dude, that line looks like bullshit at this point, dude.
What line?
Let's go to Solana. Let's check out the Solana line you drew.
I can
Solana
see
line's probably looking
73,
more accurate, to be honest.
That was the line that's been here the whole time, Nick.
Okay.
It's been riding
Easy.
in perfect.
Pull up Solana.
Let's take a look at Solamos.
Because Sol's down on the day. Like, that's probably a little bit closer to what's going on.
I mean, it's holding this fib right here, which I like. The 211. Close under 211, and we see 188.
And then we blast off to 1,000 people.
Yup.
1K. That's
So
where we're
actually-
headed. Easy doesn't believe that it's going to 1K, but that's because he bought all of his. He got paid to take on Solana.
Yep. But I got 491 and 554. Those are my
Okay.
targets.
Where are the next fibs? Scroll
That's
up.
it. We reach. We're done.
The fibs don't go higher?
No, that's it.
Okay, well, that's problematic.
We're done.
We
at
ran
that
out
point.
of fibs. Can you find a way to add more fibs?
Yeah, 1 second. Let me draw another one for Nick.
Ghost Skater wants to join the show. Come on, Ghost Skater.
There's Nick's fib.
Sorry, Ghost Skater, you cannot join. Unfortunately, it will not work correctly with the YouTube.
It's only for professional talk show hosts,
you gotta
okay?
be a pro.
Bring your
People have been
level up
hosting
to the
morning
level
shows for
that
at least 2 years. We
as he
evidenced that
speaks
with
over me.
Clemente's video earlier.
Bring it to the level that we of professionalism that we deliver every single day.
Ghost Skater, get your weight up.
Easy. Give me a little. What was the thing? What's your like mumble bumble thing that you were doing on the show this morning, where you're like,
It's going up and it's going up and it's down. And today, what is how much is the dev
And it's
holding? How much is the dev holding? What is the dev holding? Okay. What is the insider holding? Okay.
It's like-
Okay.
Just Stefano said you can only join the show if you're built like an arepa.
let me turn.
I'd like to
sideways.
apologize to all the audience members. This show is going completely off the rails. Me and Clemente were holding it down for the first 40 minutes, but now we've gone completely out of the rails. As
There
the rest
you
of
were,
the team
right?
has entered the chat.
Look at how jacked this guy is. Holy shit. Holy
Does
shit.
this look like an arepa?
Dude, OX will be Mrs. German, Nick. Are you a German bodybuilder?
What do you think the Germans are thinking right now after missing $2 trillion in profits after selling their Bitcoin?
I'm not. The one that popped in my head. I'm not even saying.
Nick,
It was offensive even to me as a Jewish person.
This is crazy.
I'm not gonna say it.
thought it was Friday, says the boys are day drinking. Yeah, we're drinking espressos, motherfucker. Ghost Skater
Look at
said-
where Easy draws the top fib. Get out of here, dude. This is completely ridiculous.
Why you go high and low?
So is Doge hitting $1 in the
95
next 12
cents.
months?
Doge is hitting $1 like tomorrow, Clemente. Like literally, put all your money into Doge now.
I remember Nick was talking smack to Easy for calling Doge to 69 cents.
Running his fucking whore mouth.
Last year, a buddy just he resurfaced a Discord message he sent to me asking how he could make money. December 2023, I told him to sell his Fidenza and put it all in the Doge. Did he do it? No. Would it have been a tremendous play? Yes.
That's a clean move. I mean, Doge has been around for longer than ETH. Literally, look it up. It's been around for longer than ETH.
That's actually
Yep.
wild.
Doge is compelling. I have Doge that I've been holding for years, and I don't even know how much it's worth at this point. When we get home, we're gonna look that up. We're gonna look that
65
up.
cents is next, and then we look at $1.02.
How high is it gonna go? Is it gonna go to $2? $2?
$1.60.
What were people saying? Doesn't the mining stuff, like the supply is way higher than it was 4 years ago?
Yeah, circulating supply, market cap, all that other bullshit. Those just like basically at its all-time high market
Yeah.
cap wise.
Interesting. But the normies don't care about that. They don't see that.
They can't even read.
SHIB, I feel like there's no promises with SHIB, but maybe it's grandfathered in and it comes back. By the way, we saw the film Smile 2 last night. Little late night showing of Smile 2. Clemente was just traumatized by it. He hated
Clemente
it.
was watching it like
He
this.
hated it. He was so scared.
Not a fan of Smile 2. Wouldn't recommend. Pio was loving it. Pio was absolutely licking his chops watching it.
So SHIB, is SHIB just going to come back too?
Yeah.
SHIB's programmed?
Yeah, SHIB looks good. This is a good chart. New high here, too. Like, this is what you want to see. New high, higher lows, higher lows. This all looks good. Like, overall, good chart.
SHIB's just programmed.
Yeah, this is a good chart. I'm not going to lie. SHIB actually looks
easy.
really
Do
good.
we think that SHIB and Doge are just like the two leaders this meme coin cycle? And can we see anything that's like currently out there like enter that next stratosphere? And is it like the current like leaders of late?
I mean, dude, if I'm buying anything else, this is going to go. Pepe absolutely goes on like a parabolic run, in my opinion.
Wow.
It's not even listed on Coinbase, is it?
No, because it's racist. Mog is the other one. Like, you just buy the ETH winners. That's
Quick,
it.
pull up the 5 minutes, real quick, easy. Pull up the 5 minutes on Bitcoin.
Yo, let's buy
Hold
a
up, hold
coin.
up.
And
Yo,
looks-
I'm getting my
did-
laptop. We're buying a coin.
I
5
think-
minutes. 5 minutes. Hold up. Steady lad. Steady lad. Steady lad.
I think it may have turned around. I think we're putting in higher highs, lower lows. Zoom in there.
Okay, we're actually making lower highs and lower lows.
No,
We are.
no. Look at this one. You got to go to the.
Yeah, so that's a lower low.
No, no,
That's a
no,
lower
no,
low.
no, 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 no,
That's another
no,
low.
no. Stop. Here, let me show.
Lower high.
No, stop,
Lower-
stop. Let me show you how to do this.
Okay, show me. Teach me.
Oh,
Whoa,
What the
whoa.
fuck?
What did
No,
I just
X,
click?
press the X.
My bad. How do I undo this?
Right click, right click, right click, right click.
Trash button.
Right click, right click. No, right click. Right there. Remove drawings.
You drawing boobs on there?
So how do I?
Currently,
zoom in
we
on
have
that?
Nick interacting with the
How do
Bitcoin
you
chart
zoom in
on
on that?
DYDX,
Oh, like
showing
Yo,
why
you
he
think
thinks we're bullish on the 5 minute.
Joseph Lift shit's coming in saying MicroStrategy is a great beta play. No
Look,
shit.
this is what I'm.
No
ta-
shit,
this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking
On the 5
about.
minute, okay.
This is what I'm talking about.
But what about the
What I'm saying is,
comes in
who-
2 years later,
hold
talks
on,
about
hold on,
MicroStrategy. No shit.
okay.
Nick reminds me of a lesbian aunt bachelor.
Who's the guy? Who's the guy that quit and said thanks for the alpha that sold all of his bitcoins?
Oh, it's pumping 87,000, higher highs, higher highs.
What did I say?
It's pumping.
What did I
it's
say?
rejecting.
No,
Now it
stop.
loses
Stop.
lows,
Okay,
loses
that's what I was talking about. That's speaking right there. Literally 40 people left the show when you were doing that. So real quick, there was a thing that someone said about Bitcoin. Who was the guy that ended up saying thanks for the tip? I ended up selling it.
It was Brian. There, down
Where?
there.
Thanks for the tip. This guy. So Brian sold. So I would buy back in. This is the time to buy back in. This is the time to buy back in.
22 minutes to find that
There you
comment.
go.
Okay, back above 88,000.
Okay,
literally dumping. The views are dumping since you guys came. The views have dumped.
Yo, just Stefano said
when I
Nick looks
came
like
in, it
Ellen
went higher.
DeGeneres.
Okay, there's too many people talking at the same time. Get out of. Excuse me, Clemente. Sorry. I want
Clemente
to
just
apologize to everybody
really
right
loves-
now that was dealing with Clemente and Easy and Ray. Ellen DeGeneres is very famous. Okay.
Well-known comedian.
So I just want to apologize for the behavior of everybody else. Things are going to turn around now for the show. Let's start going through some of the. Is this? You're on a PC. Holy shit, dude, that's ridiculous. What's going on here? Let's go. Give me a site to go check out real quick as we run through some of the top stories of the day here.
Buy a coin.
Any
We're going to
site?
buy a coin. And also, while we're at that, let's talk about some of the key stories from today.
All right, so we had Tether minting an additional 2 billion USDT to ETH mainnet. This was minted after they minted $1 billion late last week. We talked about the CryptoPunk sales. I'd be curious if, Nick, you're interested in buying another CryptoPunk sub 100K before a potential NFT run-up.
No, I'm not. But what I am interested in is the fact that Meta plans to ask Facebook and Instagram users in Europe if they want to get less personalized ads, Ray. Now, what does that mean? Wait, what is this?
The comments are so funny.
Whoops, wrong one.
Nick looks like he's going to a Diddy party at Ellen's house.
Okay, can these people please, I need we're focused on the real issues at
We
hand.
want to buy a coin on the show.
Okay, we want to buy a token.
Bull X.
Whose Bull-X is loaded up right there?
It just went up by 30 because I brought up that we're going to buy a coin. Get in here. Tell your friends we're about to buy a coin. Get in here. Let's get these numbers up. Get your weight up.
You know what? While we're figuring out what coin to buy, we're going to thank our partner for today's show, Stream. Stream's building a content layer on top of traditional streaming platforms, allowing audiences to engage with creators like never before, earn rewards, play fun games while you're watching streams like ours. Right now, the Stream Carnival 2 is going on, where you can earn cash prizes as you participate. As you participate in stream drops during our show, you earn tickets, and that gets you a piece of the USDT rewards, 25K and USDT rewards passed out to those who participate and earn tickets for top 10 shows. Last time we had a Stream Carnival, we ended up in the top 10. We got rewards for all of our stream participants. You can sign up now at bodoggos.com/stream. We just started up another stream drop. The link is pinned on the Twitter and just sent out in the Twitter comments. You can jump in, participate there, do a little trivia, do a little card memory game, all kinds of fun games. Stream is just the third Animoca incubated project, the last one being Mochaverse. Mochaverse just had a ton of success with their NFT, well over 1 ETH, and a successful token launch. Animoca incubated projects do very well, and they have great future rewards for holders. So if you can put 2 and 2 together, you should know why you should be bullish on Stream. Thank you again, Stream. We love Stream.
What did you know?
If you can, sorry, I'm laughing. Ray, I'm laughing. If you can put 2 and 2 together, you're basically doing the read, and you're just like, if you can put 2 and 2 together, if you're not an idiot, then you know that you should use Stream.
Yeah, absolutely. I can only.
Why
tell
isn't there a live stream going on though? Where's the game? Pull it up.
All right, I'll pull the game up. Hold on.
Like, what's going on here? Like, why read about it when we can do it? Oh, look at this one. Top trans models is about to.
That's already been. We said there's a bunch of trans stuff happening.
There's a
I'm
bunch
already
of
in another game room
going on.
Trans meta, mini meta.
All right, so we're gonna join the stream drop that's playing right now. Which of these tickers has the lowest market cap? Mew. Which meme coin has the highest market cap?
I'm gonna go with Pepe.
Which of these is not on Murad's top 10 token list? Mog, Apu, SPX, or Bonk?
Bonk.
No.
No.
Apu.
He has Apu.
Oh.
Bonk was correct.
Bonk.
Which of these is not a meme coin NFT project? Wreck Guy, Sproto Gremlins, Project Aeon, or Mog Auras?
I have no idea.
Wreck Guy.
No, Wreck Guy has one. What?
Wreck Guy, 3 correct, 1 wrong. We got 1 wrong because I believe someone said Apu. That was the stream drop. That was a trivia drop. We do all kinds of different trivia. We do Bodoggos trivia, stream trivia. We do some trivia with our other partners as well. We also do card matching. Sign up now, bodoggos.com/stream. Start participating in the stream drops and earn potential future rewards.
Goat's cooking.
Hey, Nick, what are we buying?
All right, Ray, you need to help us. So we hit a dinger last night on a token called MAD. Easy. Yo, all right, now we're in the trenches. All right, we're in the trenches.
There we go.
Yo, Clemente, get your ass over here.
God. Let's change this shit. Get out of this.
Clemente, give us a winner.
Okay, let's take a look. Neovision. Bow, 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 bow. All right, let's see what we got. Tesla banana mascot name.
That's migrating already. I missed it.
Yeah, Lemic Pro. Oh, it's in Linux. Very interesting. Model Lemic Banana Pro.
Would you buy?
It's not good.
We're aping this on migration, lads.
LeMaker Pro?
Yeah.
Why?
Ooh, this insider wallet just bought Satan.
Why are you doing LeMaker Pro?
Click on the website and it takes you to a GitHub. And there's something in here. It looks like it's a Tesla GitHub from 2015. And it says the model.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, Nick. You're overthinking it. Keep middle curving it, moron.
Has there been any other tickers launched with this name yet?
I don't believe LeMaker Pro has had a previous launch. Very interesting. Banana, SpaceX mascot, but that's not the real name. It's not the real name. Let's go to.
I see 2 other ones that were created after this one started migrating. So we have copycats in the queue. You ape a copycat sub 10K
Which one?
of LeMaker.
Buy WDK.
There's Banana and LeMaker Pro copycat, just like a direct copycat.
I'm in.
Should I buy it?
Yeah.
I'm in.
WDK.
WDK.
The market cap is 36.6K.
Yeah.
WDK.
Buying.
Oh, it's actually Tether's thing.
Yeah.
WDK by Tether, AI agent demo.
What?
Very interesting.
Yo, WTK,
Oh,
baby.
who picked up on that? Who picked up on that? Your boy, Choose Rich Nick, only hits bangers.
Oh, the MC's going. The MC's going.
It's about to migrate. It's about to migrate. Oh my God, it's migrating.
Oh my goodness.
We're up $500. We're up $500. It's now migrating. It's now migrating. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ghost Skater said that.
Damn.
This looks like a 19.
I couldn't get a bid in on it.
That's rough. That's rough.
Could you pass me the copy?
How much did he buy?
2 soul.
How about you, Kia?
1 soul.
I bought 0.5. Fuck!
Nick's a sniper.
I was trying to ape 4 soul into this multiple times. Nothing went through. We're looking at WDK.
Stock picks that imagine thinking this is related to Tether officially.
Hey, stock picks.
It's on the YouTube.
Stock picks. It's on the YouTube, idiot.
Wow.
Dumb idiot.
YouTube. Is that the official YouTube?
Yup. Tether 723 subs. Great
What?
YouTube.
Is this going to a Billy? Silly to a Billy?
It's actually their YouTube. They have a bunch of garbage content, but it's there.
Silly to a Billy.
WDK by Tether. AI
Tether-
agent demo.
check if Tether's tweeted.
So when you
Running a tweet.
run the application for the first time,
No.
This video went live
currently
25 minutes ago.
loaded.
Therefore, we're now rich.
Silly to a Billy.
I just made a milli.
it uses
WDK Max.
WDK
Yeah,
behind the
WDK, the
scenes
future of France, baby.
with the
WDK. This was tweet. They tweeted about it.
Holders look good. Everything looks good.
Yeah, because it's Tether, bro, and everyone knows Tether's a scam.
But it's from the official Tether account.
Yeah, but
This
why
feels
would
like a time to just do buy limit orders on a migration, which I normally hate doing.
No,
I hate doing that.
no way, it's real.
No, it's real.
It's-
but no
it's
one
real.
cares about it. Like this should have been made instantly. The fact that it was made 50. Explore the future of WDK by Tether's AI agent demo. Okay. Dude, this is kind of interesting, actually.
Oh yeah.
I'm telling you, I found basically the hottest pick today.
Okay, well, NFA, don't top.
Nick, tweet the ticker.
Top blast it.
Say, I'm a big Tether WDK user.
Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Wait. Wait. Wait on that.
We're balls deep in this migration.
Yeah, it's taking its sweet time to migrate.
We're just gonna go like limit orders out the wazoo, like 0 to 50% above price here.
I'm about to tweet. I'm gonna say, is this the official Tether?
Everybody, wait, chill out, wait.
Dude, oh, no. Nick's about to tweet it.
Dude, Herbivore goes hottest pick today, so he put in 0.5 soul.
Yeah.
There's like
People
15
are
things
telling Nick
migrating.
to wait left and right. Nope.
I haven't tweeted it yet,
He hasn't
Wait.
tweeted it yet, ladies and gentlemen.
but I think
Easy
by
shilling
this
it in his-
entire conversation. What?
He's shilling it in his Telegram chats.
No,
The whole future of finance. He just sent it. He just sent the CA, and he just goes, "I'm in this." That's all you need to let him know.
Because he needs to build his
I'm in this.
Is this illegal? This conversation?
It's
that we're
very
having?
illegal. It's very illegal.
migration loading.
About to migrate. Oh my god.
We're about
Okay.
to migrate.
That really
Yeah,
makes
I think it's gonna take forever to migrate. There's just so much like in the queue right now.
I guarantee you, it's just straight down.
Yeah, but if I was at a storage unit auction, I'd have a job.
User not W said, "Come on, guys, Trump won. You can tweet tickers now." He's right.
That's what Zach XBT said.
Did he really say that?
Zach XBT basically said that.
All right, while we're migrating, we're doing a little card game here, easy.
What did you want now?
Little card game.
Oh, I down on LeMaker. Oh, did
All right,
LeMaker
we'll do
migrate?
card game, memory game.
It'll take a bit. Oh man.
Oh,
Good
1
thing
for
it's
1.
LeMaker.
Wag me on the right, place up top.
The biggest winner of the
It's
day
big W.
in 2 seconds, dude.
You have crazy talent. Go pick another one.
I haven't tweeted it out yet. When am I tweeting it?
That it's the future of Tether. What's so funny, Clemente? What's so funny?
There you go. Little 6, 7 misses here.
0.5 souls, easy.
Yeah.
I don't owe you money anymore.
That's not how this works.
I don't know. Your
Watch
money.
this thing rug right after, and Nick looks at me. He's like, "I still owe you 2 souls."
Crazy work.
This
It's gonna be
migration
the
is
longest
taking a
migration of all
long
time.
dude.
It's taken a long time because of the massive interest in the future of WTK finance.
Damn, Dave Trader talking about Bitcoin right now.
Oh,
Hold on. Dude,
it's
I
like
got-
I've been holding Bitcoin. I'm up. It's up to 88K. They said that it was going to keep going up. They were right.
There's 5 coins migrating right now.
Treasures are hot right now. Vladimir
It looks
Putin.
like that Tesla one migrated.
Yeah, it got cooked.
Thank God we didn't buy that.
Yeah, that's down to a 9K market cap.
You don't need your charger right now, Nick.
No, my laptop's about to die.
Yeah,
There's
sure.
one by the counter, Nick.
The kitchen counter.
Here's a look at the Tesla ticker that just graduated. This one,
W said that this is going to insta teleport to 500K.
I think
it's going to instant teleport over a million, I think.
Woo! Ballin'.
We just
I
need
just
a
need
fucking
any of these to
migration.
hit.
It's taking its sweet ass time.
Let's go 50% slip up.
Oh, we migrated, boys.
We migrated.
124. It's at 124.
It's at 124.
Well, 139, 140, 150.
151, 160, 180, 160, 200, 200, 220, 220, 220, 161, 161, 173, 174.
Tweet's going live. Tweet's going live. It's tweeted. I tweeted it.
Oh my God.
241, 241, 241.
All right, I got in, I think. There we go. We're in.
300.
There was a 25 sold by the king.
It pumped to over 400.
Oh my God, it's at 331.
I'm up a casual 12 soul. Initials out, the rest is riding.
Holy shit!
400K, 400K.
W's like, fucking send it.
We're at 337, 355,
Yo,
355.
yo,
Happy.
I just watched Easy dump a message into his Telegram group. He just wrote 300K higher.
381, 389, 389.
370, 370, 370. Pushing 450, 450, 450. I'm going to explode. I'm going to finish. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Terrible audio.
500.
The numbers are going up. The numbers are going up. 500, 560, 560.
Oh my God, Nick took his
650.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. This is
What
crazy.
an absolute cookerino. Nick, how did you find this? How did Nick find this?
Nick's a genius.
Dude's a genius. Someone just said, bro, easy.
All I
What-
do is win, bitches.
Yo.
All I do is win.
Yo, I'm just going to tell you what's in the Telegram. A guy said, bro, easy. What the fuck? Then someone said, cooking easy.
And then I responded 500K.
Then he
higher.
goes, nice hit. Easy's building his reputation on the back of this thing.
On the back of me.
He's got 16 soul left.
I'm only up 20 soul.
I
I'm
got
only up
12
20 soul.
soul,
Only up 20 soul.
motherfucker. Yeah, bro. That's me, dude. That's normal.
Sell half the bag.
That's normal.
Sell half the bag.
Holders have doubled since migration, up to 776 holders. Looking at the holder distribution, 800 holders now. Holder distribution looks beautiful. Top holding at 2.4%.
Benny Flacco said the whole room is moaning. What are the neighbors thinking?
Oh, 700K, 700K, 700K.
Whoa!
Yeah, is that a top signal when the whole room is just collectively moaning?
Yo, this shit is crazy, dog. We're getting close to 1,000 holders.
Yo, Sean P., longtime polarizing commenter, big fan of the show. Big shout out to Sean P. Said Nick might look like an interior designer, but he's the second coming of Mirage.
We've never seen price action like this.
Ooh, big dump.
Big dump, big dump, big dump.
Uh-oh. We don't like
Oh,
that.
big pump, big pump, big pump.
Dude, there's
Oh!
this is an insane.
We are just under 1K holders now.
Holder count's running. Oh,
Yeah,
750.
it's absolutely
750.
sending.
Whoa!
That is a beautiful, beautiful chart.
Oh
There we
my
go.
Excuse me.
Now let's not give it all back to the casino again today.
800 boys.
Yeah, I'm up 22 soul.
Have you been selling into it?
Yeah, I've sold 14.
We're almost at 900.
Oh my God. Benny Flacco said he looks like an interior designer from the 70s, though.
Hey, yo, congrats to the listeners, guys. Yo, yeah, this is why you listen to the Daily Bone podcast. You get some of that fresh.
Wait,
alpha
real
every
quick.
single day.
Abro, can you elaborate? You said, yo, Nick, what should I do with my new living room? Because he's an interior designer. All right, never mind. I get it.
Abro with the advanced
show.
jokes.
Yeah. Sean P said, hand him a little crypto check, right? Well, hand him a little Bitcoin, a little reference to Donald Trump there. No, Abro wasn't too deep. I realized it as I was reading it. I was confused for a moment. This thing's fading, boys.
It's fading hard. What's going on? What's going on?
1,100 holders.
Holders still going up. A little bit of distribution.
Ray's got hopium.
Gang, remember to take profits.
It's not called hopium. It's called what's the word? Conviction, Pio.
Okay.
Holders are now at 1130. This is getting an insane amount of volume.
Popping.
It's pumping. Great name. Call Nick. I mean, good shit. Good shit. It was better than my mad call.
T-Ward 20 said he's fully out plus 175%. Thank you, Savior Nick. Ghost Skater said he's still holding.
I mean, the Tether account did tweet it. Nick also did tweet it, the official Tether intern. He tweeted, is this the official meme coin with the ticker and the CA? Just absolutely sending it.
Wait, who's that? Oh,
Nick.
I haven't seen this yet.
He put the ticker and the contract.
Absolutely
Mr.
outlandish
Yellow has a
behavior.
little bit of a cheeky comment here. He said, Nick tweets any crap. That's what Mr. Yellow thinks.
Contract address are absolutely absurd.
I mean, we're getting a pullback here.
This is a hard pullback.
Yeah, strong pullback here, but it might have found the bottom here. This appears to be the support here at 330, 335.
Holders at 1203, but going down 1200. Go.
Fighting back.
Holder count is going up, which is the biggest indicator here.
Sheesh.
Oh,
That's a
going
nice
back up. Getting some
P&L. He
action.
printed. Now it's a matter of not giving it back.
W said, what a cook. Thank you, Nick. That's right. Nick blessed you with this cook. Remember that.
Daddy Nick is the name. I'm not referring to the commenter.
Gensler still got time to pick up a straggler.
Mr. Yellow. Hey, Mr. Yellow. Keep coping.
Yeah, yo.
Hey, cope harder.
Yeah, cope harder, Yellow. Man, you're about to be Mr. fucking Orange soon.
Mr. Orange is crazy.
What do you say?
He just put a laughing emoji.
Dude, yo, if Shillin Villain's watching this right now, I got to send you a message. And my message is a very clear one. Buy the WDK meme coin, official meme coin from Tether. Check Nick's profile for the CA.
Yeah, check.
We're pumping again. We're pumping
Oh,
again.
Yo, Nick just pinned the tweet. Nick just
He
pinned
pinned
the
the
tweet.
tweet.
It's getting boosted by the algo.
Boosted. Alex Finn's tweeting about this, guys.
Adding it to this daily newsletter. Oh
God, dude.
Very normal. Real quick.
This is the rebound we've been looking
Whoa,
for.
this
This
is
is the rebound we've been looking for. We're trying to send this to 1 milli. 1 million incoming.
Mr. Yellow with more cheeky commentary. He said the only way to save it is Clemente to be out.
Are you still in?
I'm in, baby. I'm in. Dare I hit a
Oh,
gritty?
no.
Oh, hit the gritty. Hit the gritty.
Oh, he's doing marijuana. Oh, look at that move. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, that's crazy.
Every time I've hit this, it's the top.
That's the top, baby. That's the top.
Dude, don't say that.
That's the top.
Why the
That's the top.
fuck would you say that?
Every time I'm hit
Nick's legit yelling at Clemente. Not for hitting the gritty, but for saying
out
that.
of here.
Dude, that was a crazy gritty, man.
Yeah, see what happens if Clemente just leaves the room.
That gritty.
Up to 1,300 holders, and we're dumping. Close gritty down.
Blade said Chile is
Why
about
would
to
you
disown
do
this
that?
motherfucker.
Why would you do that?
I get too excited.
Why would you do that?
Wow, Nick's actually genuinely angry about that gritty.
Hit one more to counteract it.
Okay, yep, counter.
Yo, go reverse. Go reverse. Oh, look at that reverse gritty.
Retracted the
Oh
gritty.
my god, man. He almost gritted his ass out the room.
Gritty retracted.
Oh my god, that was crazy.
If it doesn't go up from
It's down. It's down on that gritty. The market saw the gritty and
it's
reacted.
turning around.
No,
It's turning around on the reverse gritty.
Oh my god. Oh, he reversed it, man. It's just a delayed reaction. The market's not that fast, boy. I mean, come on. You got to let the market understood. It's reversing. What's so funny, Clemente? Yo, Clemente, I don't need you gritty in anymore. I need you on the next coin. What's the
That's how we operate around here. What we do is
next coin?
Next coin.
All right.
Find the next coin, Nick. Find the next coin. Tweet the next CA, Nick. It's now dumping hard. It's dumping hard.
Why the fuck did you do that, Clemente?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to do it for today's episode. We appreciate you spending time.
Clemente, on stream, sell all of your bag.
Oh, damn. This thing's really dead.
I'm out. I'm out.
Why?
It's dead.
Lower highs, lower lows.
It's dead.
Hold the line. 1,400 holders.
Hold on.
Hold line. Fucking way to hold the line for, idiot.
We're on to the next coin.
Dude, you guys are pieces of shit. If anybody's still holding and down because of these fucking goofbag idiots, I only show up and deliver.
Seems like the boys
When I
have
does
frozen
another
here.
fucking gritty, you're gonna watch us beat the shit out of him on stream.
Hit the gritty. Hit the gritty. Hit the gritty.
Hit the gritty right
Hit the
now.
gritty. Hit the gritty.
Yo, Moon Manlet just replied to me with the chart saying, nice call, bro.
Oh, Moon Hamlet?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that will be the end of our show today. Thank you all for listening. Thanks to the boys down in Florida for all making an appearance. You can catch this show Monday through Friday on all major podcast platforms. You can catch us on Apple. You can catch us on Spotify. Rewatch on YouTube. See all the graphs and charts we bring up. See our pretty faces. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful Tuesday.